Yo, y'all wanna hear some dope shit? I just found a dope ass sample. I can't get enough of this shit. Check it out. What you wanna hear? Slow? I'ma screw it. You want it slow? You want it fast? I like that shit fast though. Check it out. Yo, I came out my mama. I came out my mama. Hey, I came out my mama. Yo, listen, yo, so cold, should've been born in the ice box. I came out my mama rockin' ice rock. Full up about 4 to 5 Courtney Coxes. I'm a soloist, also Jamie Foxx is hiring, firing, ain't no one retiring. I am going high where no one can get higher than. Plus I keep bills on me like I'm Miss Clinton. I'm a dog in the game, it's a bitch spittin', full-blooded, hoes love it. I'm a ball, no budget, should've played for the Nuggets. 3-pointer at the corner, pushing the gas guzzler. Hoes who work for hustler know that I'm a hustler. I'm their favorite customer, niggas need to hustle up. I'ma frown at them like a bustin' nut. Bring the girls and the toys, I'ma show you sluts or us. You have been warned, a grown man is born, homie. Yeah. It's your boy Remsteele. Hit me up, www.remsteele.com. Beats Forever Entertainment in the building. Out again.